we are using three functions: int, YEARFRAC function, date function, and VLOOKUP. That's four functions. So we are going to use it to find the to calculate the date of birth using the physical year 2023. So the functions will locate the record and at the same time find the difference to find the age of that particular employee. So now let's start. So we are going to use equal to activate the formula, int to convert our result to integer, year year the year FRC then the physical year we want to enter the physical year 2023, FRC 2023, comma, month of 7th July 15th. So we put, there should be dates in between here, dates function, then we close the FRC function, comma. Now then we apply VLOOKUP to search the record. VLOOKUP search the record 5. Record 5 from the table. You now array your bracket, you highlight the entire table. After enlightening the entire table, the date of birth is in column 5. You indicate 5, then first I close the VLOOKUP, then comma 1. The system will calculate the age. This how many brackets there? So I think it's okay. That's 39 years. That's a simple way using year FRC to calculate the year. It will deduct the physical year from the date of birth and give you the results.